Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can find your Instagram group chat. It's pretty simple. Now you need to know the name of your group chat in order to do this, alright? So after you open Instagram, at the top right corner you can see the little message icon. Click on it and it's going to bring you to this section. Now if you guys have tons of message and you don't want to scroll past every single message to find the group which you want, at the top where it says search, click on the search bar. Now over here you can search for the group's name. So my group's name which I'm trying to search is Mr. YouTuber, so I will just search for Mr. YouTuber, and as you guys can see, the group is being displayed over here. I can just click on it and it's going to straight up take me to my group just like this. So that is how you guys can find Instagram group chat. And if you don't remember the group's name, then the only thing you can do is just scroll through here trying to find the group. Remembering the name is only the easiest way you guys can do it. And you don't have to remember the full name. Just look at this. I'm just going to write the first two letters and it's already showing me the group. So just write the first two letters and then it's going to be easy for you, alright? So hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos related with Instagram just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.